Are you tired of wrestling with cords and dragging heavy machines from room to room? Discover the freedom of cordless vacuums that make cleaning fast, easy, and, dare I say, enjoyable. I'll show you the best cordless vacuum cleaners out there, so you can clean smarter, not harder. Check the description below for direct links to every model. Let's kick off our best cordless vacuum cleaner comparison by exploring what the LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner brings to the table. This vacuum is designed with versatility and convenience in mind, making it an appealing choice if you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-handle cleaning solution. You'll appreciate how its tangle-resistant brush ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions, especially if you have pets or deal with long hair around the house. The rechargeable battery allows for cordless freedom, so you can move seamlessly from room to room without worrying about power outlets or tangled cords. Its lightweight construction means you can easily lift it for above-floor cleaning or carry it up and down stairs without fatigue. The LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner stands out for its user-friendly design. The self-standing feature means you can pause your cleaning at any moment and set the vacuum down without needing to lean it against a wall. This is particularly handy for quick breaks or when you need to move furniture. Its multiple attachments make it easy to tackle a variety of surfaces, from hardwood floors to carpets and even upholstery. The vacuum's filtration system is engineered to capture fine dust and allergens, helping you maintain a cleaner, healthier environment, which is especially beneficial for allergy sufferers. When it comes to performance, the LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner is powered by a strong motor that delivers impressive suction for its size. This ensures effective debris pickup, whether you're dealing with everyday dust or more stubborn dirt particles. The dustbin is easy to remove and empty, minimizing contact with dirt and making maintenance straightforward. The vacuum's 3 LED headlights illuminate hidden dust and debris, so you won't miss a spot even in low-light areas like under furniture. You'll also find the LEVOIT's 50-minute battery life to be quite practical for everyday cleaning tasks. It offers enough runtime to clean multiple rooms on a single charge, so you can get your chores done efficiently. The intuitive controls and lightweight body make it an accessible choice for users of all ages. Overall, the LEVOIT cordless vacuum cleaner is a really good cordless vacuum cleaner and a well-rounded option that emphasizes ease of use, effective filtration, and versatility, making it a strong contender for anyone seeking a hassle-free cleaning experience. Next up on my list of the best cordless vacuums, let's transition to the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard, which is a vacuum that's especially tailored for pet owners and those who want a thorough, efficient cleaning tool. The PowerClean FurGuard is engineered to tackle pet hair and embedded dirt with its robust suction and specialized brush roll. If you share your home with furry friends, you'll notice how easily it lifts pet hair from carpets, rugs, and upholstery, leaving surfaces looking refreshed and free from allergens. One of the standout features of the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard is its self-cleaning brush roll, which actively removes hair wrap as you vacuum. This means you won't have to spend extra time detangling hair from the brush, allowing you to focus on cleaning rather than maintenance. The self-standing design adds another layer of convenience, enabling you to pause your cleaning at any time without searching for a place to prop up the vacuum. Its removable battery offers the flexibility of charging separately, so you can always have a spare ready for extended cleaning sessions. The vacuum comes equipped with a multi-surface cleaning head, making it easy to transition from hard floors to carpets without changing attachments. You'll also appreciate the removable, easy-to-clean dustbin, which simplifies the process of emptying debris and maintaining the vacuum's performance. The PowerClean FurGuard includes specialized tools for upholstery and tight spaces, ensuring that pet hair and dirt are thoroughly removed from every corner of your home. With the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard, you can expect a vacuum that's built for efficiency and ease of use. The powerful suction, combined with thoughtful features like the self-cleaning brush roll and removable battery, make it a practical choice for busy households. Whether you're cleaning up after pets or just want a reliable cordless vacuum, this model delivers consistent results and user-friendly operation. Moving on to the next product on my best cordless stick vac list, let's take a look at the Miele Duoflex, a cordless vacuum that embodies the renowned Miele commitment to high performance and quality engineering. The Duoflex is designed to deliver powerful cleaning in a remarkably lightweight and flexible package, weighing just 6.9 pounds. You'll find it easy to maneuver this no-cord vacuum cleaner, whether you're reaching under low furniture or cleaning high shelves. thanks to its modern, adaptable design that allows it to go flat to the floor or extend upward with ease. At the core of the Miele Duoflex is its digital efficiency motor, which provides high suction power relative to its compact size. This ensures that you get deep, thorough cleaning on all floor types, from hard surfaces to low-pile carpets. The vacuum's lithium-ion battery delivers up to 55 minutes of runtime on a single charge, giving you ample time to tackle the entire house without interruption. The battery level is conveniently displayed via an LED indicator, so you always know how much power you have left. If you're seeking the best cordless stick vacuum cleaner, then the Duoflex's filtration system is definitely another highlight, because it features a hygiene filter that captures 99.99% of fine particles and allergens. This is particularly beneficial if you're sensitive to dust or want to maintain a healthier indoor environment. This top-rated cordless vacuum cleaner is also bagless, making it easy to empty the dustbin without creating a mess. You'll receive premium accessories including an intelligent multi-floor electro brush that automatically adjusts power for different surfaces, as well as a dusting brush, upholstery nozzle, and crevice tool, allowing you to clean every nook and cranny with precision. Using the Miele Duoflex, you can expect a balance of power, convenience, and hygiene. If you're looking for the best cordless vacuum cleaner for carpet and hardwood floors, then you'll love its combination of lightweight design, long battery life, and advanced filtration, which makes it suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks, whether you're doing a quick tidy-up or a more thorough, deep clean. The thoughtful engineering and included accessories ensure that you have everything you need for a seamless cleaning experience, all backed by Miele's reputation for durability and performance. As we transition to the Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty, you'll discover a vacuum that prioritizes both power and convenience. The Shark PowerDetect is designed to deliver strong suction and advanced filtration in a package that's easy to use and maintain. The standout feature here is its auto-empty system, which automatically empties the dustbin into a larger holding container, minimizing your contact with dust and debris and making maintenance a breeze. As the hundreds of positive cordless vacuum cleaner reviews will tell you, setting up the Shark PowerDetect is straightforward, and the vacuum is ready for use right out of the box. Its filtration system is engineered to capture fine particles and allergens, contributing to a cleaner and healthier home environment. The vacuum's intelligent sensors detect floor types and adjust suction power accordingly, ensuring optimal cleaning performance whether you're on carpet, hardwood, or tile. This adaptability means you get effective debris pickup without needing to manually change settings or attachments. As one of the best-rated cordless vacuum cleaners, the Shark PowerDetect also comes with a range of accessories that enhance its versatility. You'll find tools for crevices, upholstery, and dusting, allowing you to clean a variety of surfaces in hard-to-reach areas. The cordless design and lightweight construction make it easy to maneuver around furniture and upstairs, giving you the freedom to clean your entire home without being tethered to a power outlet. When you use the Shark PowerDetect Clean and Empty, you can expect a vacuum that combines powerful cleaning with low-maintenance operation. The auto-empty feature, advanced filtration, and adaptive suction work together to provide a thorough, hassle-free cleaning experience. Is an excellent choice if you value both performance and convenience in your cordless vacuum. So, what is the best cordless vacuum cleaner on the market? Overall, based on all the research, testing, and thousands of positive reviews, I'd have to say that the Dyson V15 Detect Plus is the best cordless stick vacuum cleaner because it's a model that's consistently regarded as a benchmark in cordless vacuum technology. The V15 Detect Plus is engineered for those who demand top-tier cleaning performance and innovative features. One of its most notable attributes is the laser dust detection system, which illuminates microscopic dust and debris on hard floors, allowing you to see exactly where you need to clean. This feature transforms your cleaning routine by ensuring that no particle is left behind. As the best cordless vacuum for carpet and hardwood floors, the Dyson V15 Detect Plus is powered by a high-torque digital motor that delivers truly exceptional suction, making it super effective on both carpets and hard floors. Its intelligent sensors automatically adjust suction power based on floor type and debris levels, optimizing cleaning efficiency and battery life. The vacuum's advanced filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it ideal for allergy sufferers and anyone seeking a cleaner home environment. Another benefit of the V15 Detect Plus is its LCD screen, which provides real-time feedback on the amount and type of particles being collected, as well as battery life, which typically lasts 50 to 60 minutes, and maintenance alerts. This gives you a deeper understanding of your cleaning progress and helps you manage your cleaning sessions more efficiently. The vacuum is also equipped with a variety of attachments, including a high-torque cleaner head, crevice tool, and dusting brush, allowing you to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks. When you use the Dyson V15 Detect Plus, you'll experience a combination of power, intelligence, and innovation. The laser dust detection, adaptive suction, and advanced filtration work together to deliver a comprehensive cleaning experience that leaves your home spotless. The thoughtful design and high-quality accessories ensure that you have everything you need for every cleaning scenario, making the V15 Detect Plus a standout choice for anyone seeking the best in cordless vacuum technology. That wraps up our deep dive into the best cordless vacuum cleaner options available today. Cordless models offer unbeatable convenience and flexibility, and with the right choice, you'll never look back. If you're ready to make the switch, don't forget to explore the links to current prices in the description box below. Thanks for watching our cordless vacuum cleaner reviews, and enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning.